The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. First, let us catch up with the major headlines. Eritrean Community Festival celebrated in Riyadh and its surrounding areas. New dam inaugurated in Shabayt administrative area. Record drought in Amazon impacts 420,000 children. And Spain sees biggest drug raid in its history. On our local news, the Eritrean community in Riyadh and its environs celebrated their annual festival on 8 November with patriotic zeal under the theme Heroic Feet Anchored on Cohesive Ranks. The festival, which showcased cultural and artistic performances that highlighted the noble societal values of the Eritrean people, was officially opened by Mr. Yusuf Sayed, head of the PFDJ Organizational Affairs. Ms. Waini Garazgiher, charged the affairs at the Eritrean Embassy, noted that this year's festival is particularly celebrated in a special way as it coincides with significant progress in strategic development programs and encouraging diplomatic engagements. Mr. Abdurrahman Imam, chairman of the Eritrean community, emphasized that the annual festival goes beyond entertainment, playing a crucial role in passing on societal values to the younger generation and strengthening the attachment of the nationals with their homeland. Mr. Yusuf Sayed also delivered a seminar on current situation in Eritrea, as well as regional and global environments. He urged nationals to enhance their organizational capacity and active participation in their national affairs. The event was enriched by cultural and educational performances by students from the Eritrean International School in Riyadh and an exhibition organized by National Union of Eritrean Women branch and football competitions. A newly constructed dam built at a cost of approximately 4.5 million nakfa has been inaugurated in Shabayt administrative area of Al Abista zone. Ministry of Agriculture and various stakeholders. The inauguration ceremony was attended by Ms. Asmeret Abraha, Governor of Northern Resi Region, and Brigadier General Hannes, Chief of Staff of the Popular Force. Mr. Mohammed Nur Rajib, Administrator of the subzone, highlighted the dam's importance in addressing the potable water need for both people and livestock. He expressed appreciation for all those involved in the dam's construction, including members of the IDAB Training Center, the Adahalo Project, members of defense forces in the area, and the local community. Mr. Muhammad Ali Saleh, Administrator of Shabayt Administrative Area, noted that the dam would not only alleviate the water supply problems for residents and livestock, but also significantly contribute to the development of irrigational farming. He also committed to conducting regular follow-up to ensure the dam's sustainability. Ms. Asmeret Abraha commended the collaborative effort in construction of the dam and urged the public to use the water resources. Dams established in the Gashbarka region with combined capacity of holding over 500 million cubic meters of water and playing a crucial role in advancing agricultural development in the area. Head of the dams and micro dams at the Agricultural Engineering branch in the region, emphasized the significant focus on water and soil conservation, as well as ensuring a sustainable potable water supply. He noted that in addition to strategic dams such as Karkabet, Garset, Fankotsumu, Fankorawi, Badimet, and Aligider constructed by the government, there are also 30 other dams and 146 micro dams built and under construction through collaborative culture and the defense forces. Engineer Kase explained that those dams are not only providing potable water for the community and the livestock, but also contributing immensely to agricultural development and irrigation farming. This in return has improved the livelihoods of local population. He urged the public to engage in regular maintenance and follow-ups, ensuring this. National news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Are being heavily that is impacting water supply and river transport. The United Nations Children's Fund has other communities in Brazil, Colombia, and Peru reliant on both communications with the UN agency said. The resultant food insecurity increased, the risk of child malnutrition and agency added, while less access to drinking water could spur the rise of infection diseases. In Brazil's Amazon region alone, more than 1,700 schools and more than 760 medical clinics have to close for level. In Colombia's Amazon, lack of drinking water and food forces 130 schools were inaccessible in Peru. UNICEF said it needs 9.31 million euros in coming months to help tormented communities in these, providing water and sending out health state task forces. On our last news, Spanish authorities have shared dramatic footage of a raid on property linked to seizing of 113 tons of cocaine in what they described as the biggest anti-narcotics operation in the country's history. Officials found bricks of drug hidden in the shipment of bananas in container from Ecuador at a port of Algeciras in the southern Spain last month, police said on Wednesday. The pool, described as the second largest, value of 659 million euros, according to 2022 mean price from the European Union Drug Agency. 87.5 million euros. The operation, in collaboration with the Ecuadorian police, resulted in 5 raids and 1 arrest. To date, the largest drug seizure in Spain was 9.4 tons in 2023 and another 8.7 tons 5 years earlier. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Eritrean Community Festival celebrated in Riyadh and surrounding areas. New dam inaugurated in Shabaita administrative area. Record drought in Amazon impacts 420,000 children. And Spain sees the biggest drug raid in its history. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.